Hi there, I'm Engineer Kiwiku, and today we are going to be showing you my awesome train track with my train running around it. And at the end we're going to be showing you what train tracks we'll be doing in the next video. Here's Big Ben. There's the Eiffel Tower. There's my flag park with some trees. There's my station. Here's one of my train tracks. Here's another one. There's my bumper. There's just my other engine and a box drive engine. There's my bumper again. There's my box car again, and there's my CSX one. There's my bumper. And there's my track bin. So I'll check this. And here's my last track. There's my remote. This one takes 18 curves. Bye-bye, folks.